welcome back. We have this Fevicol Shoe Fix, so let's check it out. Okay, this is a 2-gram pack with an MRP of 60 rupees and it comes with a long nozzle, so you don't need anything else to spread the glue. Just tighten the cap to pierce the seal and it's ready to dispense the glue with this great precision. The glue itself is transparent gel-like liquid. Now the sole of this Skechers shoe has started coming off. So let's stick it back together and see if this actually works. After applying the glue, you need to press and hold it for 2 minutes. If any excess glue leaks out, just wipe it off with a damp cloth. And wow, the shoe is stuck perfectly. And you can start using the shoe again just after 1 hour. Since the glue is transparent, it doesn't leave any ugly stain on your footwear. A quick warning, try not to let it touch your skin. If at all it does, you can remove it using this nail polish remover or lukewarm water. This works well on rubber, PVC, PU, leather, canvas, and it's a great product. Besides shoes, you can fix your bag, belt and even toys. If you like the video, subscribe. Bye bye.